Actor Menzi Ngubane's cause of death revealed. Actor Menzi Ngubane has passed away. Ngubane, 56, suffered a stroke on Saturday morning according to his family. He is survived by his wife Sikelelwa and 2 daughters. The Ladysmith-born actor spent much of his time in the past 10 years trying to demystify kidney disease and promote a healthy lifestyle. Between 2010 and 2015, Ngubane's numerous struggles with kidney failure resulted in him being placed on a recipients list and ultimately received a donor, ensuring he continued and sustained his acting career until recently. Ngubane's big break came when he landed a role as Simphiwe Ngema in 1987. Since then he has appeared in a number of productions. His last prominent role was Judas Ngwenya in Isabaya in 2020. Ngubane will be sorely missed by his fans and the industry at large for his professionalism and dedication to the industry. He was a sought-after actor who is respected both locally and internationally. As a family, we wish to thank everyone for their continued and sustained support and the prayers for our beloved son, whose battle with kidney failure and sugar diabetes had become an open secret over the years. We wish to mourn the passing of our beloved son in private and will communicate the funeral and other arrangements in due course, said the family spokesperson Naomi Mikel. Ngubane also featured Generations, Gaslam, Ashes to Ashes, and Gold Diggers. In 2004, Ngubane worked alongside Samuel L. Jackson in the essay feature film In My Country. The film was based on the 1998 non-fiction novel Country of My Skull.